This presentation will be on Digital Habitat, Chapter 5, Making Sense of the Technology Landscape. Chapter 5 focuses on two main topics in the technology landscape. The first is polarities, and the second is community tools. We'll start with polarities. There are three main polarities. The first, rhythms, togetherness, and separation. Separation can make experience in a community difficult, but practicing in different contexts is why people want to interact. So diversity is a source of richness for learning together. Separation becomes a resource of community togetherness. The next, interactions, participation, and reification. Members of a community engage by forms of participation. The members produce artifacts, the reification. The artifacts reflect shared experiences and organize the participation of members. The third polarity, identities, the individual and the group. Being together does not produce homogeneity. Learning together leads to disagreement and discovery that people see the world differently. Here we have a snapshot of the community tools from the book. There are 4 areas of this snapshot. At the top, participation tools, the bottom, reification tools, on the left, asynchronous tools, and on the right, synchronous tools. This is just one overview and interpretation of the types of tools communities could use. Let's take a closer look at it. We'll start at the top with the participation tools. If you'll notice, personalization is at the very top. This is one of the key ways a community member can participate. In this diagram, the most classic community tools are located towards the center. You'll see them here. Also, the top left, we have tools that are closely related to the individual's participation, such as email. Further away you get from the individual, the more you get towards community participation tools, such as instant messaging. At the bottom is reification. Right here you'll notice a content repository. This is where individuals or groups, which is why it's in the middle, can contribute digital artifacts. Again, the more individual ways a community member can contribute are on this side, closer to the individual, and ones that are geared more towards group participation are further away from the individual. Over here are the asynchronous tools. You'll notice that RSS and RSS aggregators are here. They make it possible to combine published posts across communities. Finally, on the right-hand side are the synchronous tools. Podcasting has been placed here. It is now a bridge between the use of voice publishing and posting and subscription, which is why it is also in between the individual and the community. Overall, in Chapter 5, the main point is to consider the poles when creating a digital habitat, because they need to balance each other out in order to create a balanced community.